Well, let's have a look and see what we can find, shall we? I spy, with my sailor's eye, something beginning with C.
Coral!
Correct!
The water's so clear.
That's one of the very special things about coral. It cleans the water it's in. And do you see how close we are to the shore? That's because coral needs shallow water to grow. It needs to be able to feel the warmth of the sun.
Is it a rock or a plant?
Neither. Corals are animals. They're living creatures.
Whoa!
Hold your seahorses. What's that? Jiggling jellyfish. It can't be. It is! It's the old McBarnacle!
The old McBarnacle?
It's a ship that was stranded on the reef hundreds of years ago, and it's right there. They say it has treasure. Let's go for a swim. Ready?
Ready. Look at all the different colors of coral. Oh, hello.
Clownfish, such jokers. Aha!
It's a seahorse.
Stop horsing around. Where?
There.
Huh. Master of disguise. Some seahorses can even change color to blend in with the coral.
And there's a sea turtle. What's it sitting on?
That's a sea sponge. Probably soaking up the atmosphere. Now, swim over here and give me a hand.
Whoa! A giant clam!
Ah, giant clam, did you say? Well, if you're lucky, you might see a giant pearl in there too. Any luck?
Nope, it's snapped shut.
Looks like none of us are going to see any treasure today.
Hold on, what's that?
Slippery starfish! It's a treasure chest!
Let's open it up!
Oh, there's nothing there.
Just a teeny tiny fish.
Ah!